So when we put that link into the browser, it's going to ask us to log in to Oxford Abstracts or create an account if we're not logged in already. So the good thing about this is that we can see the logo for the event and the name of the event before we've even signed in. So I'm going to sign in with an email account that I have with Oxford Abstracts. So now I get taken straight to the delegate registration form. From here, if I have a coupon code, I can put it in and press apply. And this will check and see if it is a correct coupon code, sorry. From there, we need to type out all of the mandatory questions and then just fill out the form as we would. So the most important part of this is filling in the conference events and conference fees questions. So the conference fee would be the ticket that you're purchasing to actually attend the event. And so here we can see that some of the questions can actually change depending on what answers we choose. Okay, so once we're happy with our responses, we can then review it and then go ahead and go through to the payment section. And here's just a warning to tell us that we haven't filled out all of our mandatory fields. Okay, so from here, we get a roundup of the information about the event and also any tickets that we may have selected. From here, it's going to tell us that we have incomplete questions, so we need to go back and finish the form to allow us to make that payment. So then what we can do is then choose one of the payment options. In this example, we only have invoicing as an option, but there may be PayPal or Stripe or any of the other payment methods which we accept. And here, this is telling me that once I download the invoice, then I won't be able to edit the details on the delegate registration form. The same is true if you go through the process of paying by card or by PayPal. The registration is then locked in and you won't be able to change the responses as a delegate. Okay, so now we're confirmed as paying by invoice, and now I can download the invoice. So here's my invoice with instructions on how to pay. And so what I can do now is pay that invoice separately via my bank. And now when I go back to my dashboard, I can see the details of this registration. So if I scroll down to my event, so here's my dashboard for the event that I'm partaking in. So now I can see details about the event. I have access to the program. I even have an option to make a submission if the submissions are still open. And I can see the status of my registration. So it's invoiced and the payment is still pending. And from here again, I can download the invoice again if I need to. And I can also go through and view the registration. Okay, so this sums up how we can perform a delegate registration on the Oxford Abstracts software. Okay, thanks for watching.